Hey guys, welcome to another video of MindPal, where you will learn how to build a multi-agent workflow to automate business processes. In this video, I will show you a workflow that can automate the B2B sales outreach process. In this workflow, we will provide the agent with the prospect's website and their LinkedIn profile. Then we will have a cold call script that we can use to call them, and we will have the email sequence that we can send to them to introduce the product. And we have the personalized LinkedIn connection note that we can make a connection with them. Let's look at this workflow in detail. The first node is user input. Here, we will put the company website, which is the URL, the contact's LinkedIn profile, and the description of the product and the service that you want to sell to them. In the first step of the workflow, I will prompt the agent to visit the provided company website, the LinkedIn profile, and do all the website research to gather all the information about the prospect's industry, some recent news, and the contact information. In this agent, here's my prompt. I will select Gemini 2.0 Flash as the model in this step, because I think that this agent will need to handle a lot of context from the web search results. I think Gemini could handle this well. And after we have the result information about the prospect, we will move on to the next step to generate the personalized narrative. So this step will kind of generate the narrative that is personalized to the prospect, and we will put the value of the research company and contact here. And we describe the product and service we are selling in the prompt too. After this step, we will have 3 personalized narratives that are personalized to the prospect, and we will select the narrative in this step. Once we have a narrative here, we will move on to the generated things. We will start with generating a cold call script here. And because in this step, I tested in my prompt, sometimes the agent might confuse between the product and service that we are selling and the prospect's product and service. So I put very clearly in the prompt here that you are selling this thing, and then draft a cold call script with the information about the prospect and with the selected sales narrative here. And I use the same prompt structure to draft an email sequence and write the LinkedIn connection. And because all the things here, all the steps here are not very complicated tasks, it's just writing things. The most important thing is the research company contact and narrative. So in all the 3 last steps, I only used a small model like GPT-4o Mini and Gemini 2.0 Flash. So that is the workflow, and let's try to run this workflow to see in action. The company website. So I could try to sell an AI video generator to my company, MindPal, so we don't need to manually create videos like this. So the community website, I will put mindpal.io website, the contact's LinkedIn profile, I will put our CEO's profile, and in the product service to sell, I will describe it as the AI video generator. And let's hit continue. In the first step here, this agent will do the research. It will scrape the website, MindPal, and also do research about the prospect. And here is the summary, the key points about MindPal. We have all the information about the MindPal industry, what MindPal is, knowing the target audience, key features, and some recent news, and we have a narrative here. I think I will select narrative 3 as the selected narrative to put into the user input. And let's continue. So the first step here is we'll create a cold call script. So we'll start with some name from some company. We came across MindPal and were impressed and introduced that we are building the AI video generator that can transform testimonials into videos, and it starts to create some scenarios when clients like MindPal reject the video solution and how we should respond to that. Here's a cold email sequence with 3 emails, and also the connection note when we try to send the prospect. With this kind of workflow, you can automate the process at scale because in MindPal, you have the bulk run feature where you can upload hundreds or thousands of prospects' information to get the personalized email and LinkedIn connection note and call script that you can send to them. And it will automate hundreds, even thousands of hours that you previously spent on doing research about the prospect. And this workflow is available for you to duplicate. You just need to navigate to the workflow tab here. You navigate to a template tab and search personalize. And you will see the personalized B2B lead outreach plan generator available for duplicate. Hope you find this workflow useful. Happy building!